Mr. Furnace has been serving commercial and residential customers throughout the Washington County, Clackamas County, and Multnomah County areas since 1974, with superior products and professional, ethical service. Over the years, heating and cooling manufacturers have continued to improve their products, and Mr. Furnace has kept the pace by continually working to offer our customers the most effective, energy-efficient heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products available. Mr. Furnace offers the heating and cooling services to get you back in your comfort zone quickly and affordably. Mr. Furnace, 503-626-4006.